Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making this decorative sphere out of paper. Okay, so the things you need are 40 sheets of tissue paper. I'm using green, but you can use whatever color you want. Scissors and a glue stick. 2 paper semicircles. And a diagram that I drew. There are 7 lines. They are 1 inch apart, and they're labeled A, B, A, B, A, B, A. Okay, that's everything. Now let's get started. Okay, we're gonna take our paper, our glue stick, and all of our tissue paper. We're gonna place one piece horizontally. And we're going to put glue on all of the A's. Then place one over top. Now do it over the B's. Then you're going to keep going. Now A, then B, then A, then B, until you have all of them glued on. Okay, so after we have glued it on here, I'm going to take that away, grab just one of our half circles, and we're going to put and glue it right here. Then grab our scissors. I'm going to cut it right along the bottom. Cut right along the bottom and leave a bit of space. I'm going to cut right around here. Okay, after we have cut it like this, I'm going to flip it over. Grab our other piece, and then glue it on. Then one of the final steps, just going to open it up. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you liked the little decorative sphere, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!